Boys and girls, let's do our daily routines. While I point to each of the numbers, say each 5 count. Ready? Begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and continue through. Boys and girls, does anyone know the pattern of counting by fives? You're right. It goes 5 and then it ends in a 0. It ends in a 5 and it ends in a 0. You're right. It goes in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it does the same at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So when I count by fives, I go 5, and then I have a number that ends in a 0 or a decade number. Then I have something that ends in 5 with the next decade number, and I go to the next decade number. Then it ends in a 5, and I go to the next decade number. So notice that it's 30, and then it starts with a 30, but it ends in a 5. Then it goes to 40, and it starts with a 40, but it ends in a 5. You got it. Are there any other patterns you see? Let's practice counting by fives. Boys and girls, how many pennies are in a column? 10. You're right. A nickel is the same as how many pennies? 5. Nice job. We will see 1 nickel, but I want you to remember it's actually equal to 5 pennies. When we count the nickels, we'll count by fives. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100 cents is the same as $1. Boys and girls, which coin is the smallest? Dime. You're right. Which coin is the biggest? A nickel. Nice job. Which coin is in between in size? A penny. But which coin equals the most? A penny, a nickel, or a dime? Class, a dime. So even though it's the smallest coin, it's actually worth the most. Here's a sentence that's going to help us remember this idea. 1 tiny silver dime equals 2 big gray nickels equals 10 pennies. Say it with me. 1 tiny silver dime equals 2 big gray nickels equals 10 pennies. Let's say it once more, but now with our fingers. 1 tiny silver dime equals 2 big gray nickels equals 10 pennies. 1 tiny silver dime equals 2 big gray nickels equals 10 pennies. Nice job.